Let's learn how to save and close a drawing in MS Paint. To save a drawing, click on the File tab. Then click on the Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Now, in the File Name box, enter the name of your drawing. Finally, click on the Save button. The file is saved. Now, let's learn how to close the drawing. To do so, click on the File tab and click Exit option.